Here's how this works. This is the PRE-FAST series, a structured sequence of videos designed to prepare you mentally and practically for a 3-week fast. There will be 18 videos in total. I will be releasing 3 videos per week. Every video will be under 10 minutes, and that's intentional. Long fasts don't fail because people lack information. They fail because people overload themselves, rush decisions, and don't put into practice what they've learned. Now, these videos are short, so you can actually use them. It's not a binge-watching series. You're not meant to sit down and consume everything in one weekend. Each video includes specific action steps, things to do between the videos. The work doesn't happen while you are watching, it happens afterward. Think of this as a paced challenge, not a content to scroll through. Now, over the course of the series, we will cover all the crucial pieces people usually skip when thinking about a 3-week fast. I certainly did that when I completed my 3-week fast almost 30 years ago now. Now, I did it on a dare, and I jumped into it before I could persuade myself otherwise. But this will not be you. You will not be rushing into anything. In the middle of February, I will be inviting anyone who feels ready to join me for a 3-week fast. You do not need to decide that now. You are not expected to join. The invitation is there if it feels right. All the videos will be in the pre-fasting playlist. They will be clearly numbered, so you will always know where to begin. And this series also comes with a pre-fast workbook. Each video has a matching section with action steps, reflection prompts, and checklist. The workbook is here to help you. Watching without applying won't move you forward. So here's how I'd like you to approach this. Stay with the series. You don't need to decide anything right now. You don't need to commit. You don't need to prove anything. Do the work in each video and give yourself time between them to notice what comes up. Some of you will realize this isn't for you, and that's okay. Others may find that with preparation, it starts to feel possible. For now, just begin with the next video. Download the workbook. Take one simple step at a time. Comment below, "I'm in," and start with the first video. And also don't forget to subscribe. You wouldn't want to miss the first video. This isn't about moving fast. It's about moving clearly. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.